Online shopping has become a normal part of everyday life, and yet many people still unsure about it. Some love it, some avoid it, and many people use it but without feeling fully confident. In this video, I want to explain why online shopping is actually one of the best tools we have today, and what makes the difference between a good experience and a frustrating one. Hi, my name is Joanna, and this is WebshopSavvy, where we talk about online shopping done right. This channel is for you if you ever thought, I like online shopping, but I don't fully trust it, or I feel so overwhelmed by too many choices, or I'm afraid of scams, bad quality, or complicated returns. Those feelings are completely normal. And they don't mean that online shopping is bad. They mean that nobody really taught us how to use it well. Online shopping didn't start as something complicated. In the beginning, it was simple. You ordered a book, you ordered a CD, one price, one checkout, one delivery. Over time, online shopping grew into something much bigger. Today, it gives us access to better prices, wider selection, international brands, services that simply didn't exist before. In many ways, online shopping has made life easier, especially for people with limited time, busy families, or specific needs, for example, neurodivergent people who can't bear noise or crowds. At the same time, something else happened. Online shopping became much more complex. Subscriptions appeared, discounts became more confusing. Some shops turned out to be unreliable, and yes, scams exist. But here's something important to understand. These problems are not unique to online shopping. Every industry has good actors and bad actors. Physical stores do too. The problem is not online shopping, the problem is shopping without knowledge. Online shopping is not something you either trust blindly or avoid completely. It's a tool. And like any tool, its value depends on how you use it. When you understand how to recognize trustworthy shops, how pricing really works, what terms actually matter, and what warning signs to watch for, online shopping becomes calmer, safer, and far more enjoyable. I created WebshopSavvy because I've spent many years working with rules in highly regulated environments. I see how systems are designed. I see how people get confused. And I've seen how small knowledge gaps led to unnecessary stress or wasted money. This channel exists to close that gap. I will also share my own successes and failures, as well as points of view about improving customer experience. So if you run the webshop, this channel is also for you. Here on WebshopSavvy, we'll talk about how to shop online with confidence, how to recognize trustworthy webshops, how to avoid common traps and scams, how to save money and time, and how to make online shopping work for you and not against you. It's not about fear, and it's not about shopping endlessly. It's about informed, intentional shopping. And also, from time to time, I'm going to share my own workarounds and solutions created over time, as well as local tips and tricks to shop easier. If you're skeptical about online shopping, you are very welcome here. Skepticism is healthy, blind trust is not required. My goal is not to push you into anything, but to give you enough clarity so you can stay in control. If you want online shopping to feel easier, calmer, and more empowering, subscribe to WebshopSavvy here. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And in next videos, we'll start with very practical topics you can use immediately. So see you then.